I think that's the main quest. So we'll do that next. I think I'm not very far on my other character either for that, so but it seems like it's pretty fun so far.
Is that the tower?
Yes, it looks like the cable car's down. You might ask those soldiers if there's a way to get them working.
Oh yeah, that's the dude that
noise? How about they keep the engine
got that
warm?
other lady killed. The great dude. He messed up. Stuck on 2, so it seems worth it. Alright.
Did you see the volcano? For a minute there, I thought it was gonna erupt.
Okay, so we got that all set up. Let's talk to this lady.
Watch those flames.
How do I reach the radio tower?
Cable car to the radio tower. Does it work?
Not since insurgents took control. They have the car on their side. You could try saying pretty please.
Thanks, I'll pass. What about the other one?
I wouldn't risk it. Goes too close to the volcano.
Nothing's active?
I mean, it spews lava from time to time, but there's something far less natural lurking in there.
Okay. What's the story with your
So we're not
volcano?
worried about the lava, but we're worried
Whatever's
about
in there,
other stuff more.
even the insurgents keep their distance. We learned the hard way.
That's a pretty interesting
Unstable
job that guy
fire.
has. He's just
Dragging them down the cliffs, spraying
uses a
flames.
flamethrower to get the
Never saw it.
ice off stuff.
Just heard the screams.
Sounds
By the
fun.
time we dragged the cable car back, there was nothing but blood and ash.
So, before I can use the cable car, I gotta go deal with that volcano.
What, are you kidding? You got some kind of a death wish?
Nah.
Just tell me how to get there.
Altered. I'm Captain Dunham.
Oh, you're altered.
There's a path that'll take you further up the
That
mountains.
makes everything different.
There's
Sounds
something out
good.
there to fear.
Let's do
Damn
it.
fiends keep gnawing through the gate.
Oh, I can turn my...
Whole place is gonna fall apart.
Why is it skipping for a second there? That's weird. Okay. I will turn the world level back up as well. I like to try to keep it max at all times if I can, as long as I'm not getting completely murdered. Okay.
What did the soldier say?
Only way to the
we got
radio
the new
tower is those cable
skills.
cars. How badly do
Have
you
the
need that
shotgun
radio
ready.
tower?
I'm afraid this is the only facility with enough range. If I can't use her frequency to find the signal from that tower, we might as well quit now.
We'll get cozy then.
Lots of
We're
bones.
gonna be here a while. Seems I got a date with a volcano.
Ooh, spikies. That's interesting. Huh. No, I didn't mean to travel. Oops. Restock. So, which way do we want to go? Looks like the other way. I was just curious if there's anything down here, but it looks like there's a, yeah, there's that ledge there I can't go over yet, so that's for later, I guess. Let's go. Ooh, that's pretty fun. Turned my hair blue. Sweet. Probably didn't need to use that quite yet, but wanted to try it out. Clear the nest. Sweet. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Okay, yep, and you can cancel it earlier too so that it starts the cooldown right away then, so probably worth doing as well. What's that? Oh, because I did that reload thing, I think. Sweet. There's iron I want to get. Stop. There's so many guys. Hey, give me that iron. Quick. I don't think they're all dead yet. Okay. Oh, had one guy left to kill. That's funny. So, let's see. I just want to double check, see what's up here. Nothing, apparently. Clear the way. Uh-oh. Gotta kill birds, that's not good. Of my attacks. Let's see. Oh, I did hit him. There we go. Sweet. Wasn't sure if I would be able to reach it. Oh crap, there's another bird. 2 birds. He's like stunned. Awesome. Shoot. Ouch. Oh, good, I hit it. Nice. Oh, you can't get behind that thing? Oh, wait, now I can. Done. Yeah. Sweet. That's a... Oh, those drop lots of leather. That's awesome. Let's see, ammo. Is there anything else over here? I don't think so. Huh, those are interesting birds.
Come on.
Oh
How
my.
much bigger can they get?
Nearly every creature
Can I
we've
damage it?
encountered on this planet has evolved
No.
rapidly since we landed in
Speak for
unnatural
later.
and lethal ways. What remains unproven is whether they've been adapting to the anomaly's hostile conditions or being changed by the anomaly.
Oh, what the hell does it matter? Just don't let any of them close enough to eat you.
Ah. It's interesting they said since we landed, that's when the anomalies has been changing stuff, it sounded like. There we go. All right. Okay. Try to get him close. Ah, that is so awesome. Yeah. Still some left. Oh, still a lot left. See if I can focus on this dude. Yeah. Oh, those skills are pretty fun. I definitely like the
This place.
the
It's
whirlwind thing.
unnatural, all right. What the hell did all this?
No one's gonna answer his question. Right. Let's see. Is there anything down this way? Oh, that's okay. So that's where the main quest is. It looks like. Can I harvest this? There we go. Some iron. Okay, so that's the main one, I think. Let's see what's over here. Oh, it's a historian quest. Let's do that. Sweet. Okay, it's going well. Alright, what do we got left? Okay. What else we got? There we go. Just gonna get this iron here while we're fighting. Oh. Oh, I have to pick that up. Oof, that hurt really bad. Shoot. Okay, I need to get some health back a little bit. There we go. Yeah. That's good that like it kind of keeps interrupting him so we can so he can't kill us while we're fighting. That works well. Collect. Ooh, it's starting to get hot in here. Oh. I assume we can't fight him yet. These guys aren't even doing any damage. All right. So that's all those guys. We have to fight that guy, I bet. Just jump down. Oh no, he's climbing down. Okay, never mind. He was just leaping. Like, you're not invincible, are you? Oh my. There it is. go.
Let's do this quick, shall
Can we
we?
get behind him? No. I don't know if any of my skills are going to be very useful in this. Oh. I have no idea if that did anything at all. Oh, okay. So you just shoot his back, and it opens up then. Right. Let's swap to the pistol. Can I use this? Oh yeah, that is doing some damage. Alright. Oh god, he's killing me though. Didn't think about that part. Don't kill me. Ah. Ah. No, don't die. What's it doing? Oh. Different. It's changing or something? Next phase of the fight? Where is he? Ah. Actually, those guys will help me more because I can get some life and ammo back. Maybe that's the point in them, I guess. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I don't think any of my anomaly skills are actually useful against this guy at all. Oh, he has like 2 bumps now, it looks like. Oh, it's not good. Yeah, those guys actually help me. They give me shield and health back. Can I even hit him? Oh, I am hitting him a little. I'm taking damage apparently. Oh god, don't die. Sweet. Oh, here's some ammo. Didn't see all that before. Oh, he's up there. Die already, come on. It's got so much life. It seems like this actually does do a decent amount of damage. There we go. Okay, another phase. Let's see where this one goes. Gross. Oh, he like turned into like a giant worm thing or something with a spider. Guess I'm assuming I shoot the Big orange spots. Oh. Gotta rotate with it. Use my shotgun now. Oh, it did a lot of damage already to it, it looks like. Can I do this? I don't think that did anything. I don't think shotguns are good against him. About this. I was like, I figured the lava was killing me pretty quick with that. Need more help, thanks guys. Yeah. Faster guns are better on this guy, it definitely seems like. Sweet. Last point. What kind of loot did I get? Bunch of crappy items. Is that it? Anything else I can grab? Lots of lava. Some ammo. Oh, I climb up. Okay. Sweet. That fight is pretty fun. Where did I put my phone, I wonder? I have no idea.
Captain Dunham, your volcano problem is taken care of.
You killed it. I can't believe it. Amazing.
Where
I'll
did I
give the
put my
order to have
phone?
the cable car ready right away.